Hello everyone, in this video we are going to look at how can you create amazing lower thirds using Canva free tool. So this is going to be quite easy and you will enjoy a lot, so let's begin. So first let me take you to the Canva page so that you can see the projects that I have done so far, and you can check out there are so many other projects like some related to a particular project, some have a subscribe notification kind of project, and it all has kind of minimalist design and animations, so you can create for your own. You don't require any After Effects or any Premiere Pro and nothing, just this thing, and you can use it anywhere you would like because it will be having a green background template, so you can always remove using Ultra key or with other things. Okay, so this is the project. You can see I've created many, so this is the actual overview that I have worked so far, and I have got some amazing results using this tool. Okay, so let's begin. We will create our first project for the sake of demonstration, and it will be clear and simple so that you can get used to it. So first we will go over to the template and we will create a video template, and then you can go with your desired resolution and pick anyone. And after that you have to create a very basic thing. You can see it got so many designs. You can try one later, but for now we will stick to the particular topic. So we are going to begin with the shape. Okay, so first we are going to take shape so that we can create a basic base background, a green color, so that we can move forward. Okay, so here I have taken this. It has kind of a gray color, so we can change it easily here, and you can pick anyone. Most probably you can go with the dark blue or dark green and anything. Okay, and you can name and you can explore other things. And now after this we will need one more rectangle with corner, circle, rounded edges so that it could look cool with subscribe notification. I'm just going to create a very basic subscribe pop-up so that you can have an idea like how it works and how cool you can do for your own template. So here I have adjusted this, and you can see it has rounded corners with white color. Now you can drag and drop if you have any images, or you can put text backgrounds, whatever you have up to your taste or your knowledge, you can put that. Scaling it could be a bit tricky because the edges doesn't come scaled. You have to adjust them. Otherwise, to scale it to its original property, you have to take it from the upside corner, and then you can adjust and go with it. So here I have adjusted the YouTube logo so that it could fit according to its background layout, and here I think it's quite simple and amazing. Now we are going to take a text box. You can pick anyone for now, just for the sake of demonstration, just showing you a very basic text with subscribed mention in it. Let's go with Montserrat font, making it bold, and here it is adjusted. Okay, so now it looks kind of a minimalist and has a potential to grab viewers' attention. So now we are going to create animations for this, and you can have scale it to the more of the seconds if you would like, but for now I'm just going to keep it just for a few seconds, and that would be it. Okay, so now I have picked the base layer, the white one, and you can see if I switch to the animations, it is popping up, and you can try variations of animations, and whichever suits to your taste or you would like the feel, you can go with it. For now I would like to go with this. Now this one's okay. All right, now you can see for the YouTube logo, if I go to the animations again, So it has huge kind of animation boxes, templates. You can try one by one and you can explore. There's no limitation. It gives you total access, and yeah, that gives you the taste. So I'm just gonna keep this same as well. Now for the text, you can try other one. It has so much of amazing animations, and yeah, I think this is the perfect fit. No, yeah, this one seems perfect to me. So I think it will be the final layout for this whole pop-up. Okay, so similar to this, you can just finalize your design, then you can export, and later you can use it anywhere. And after that, you can reverse the layer so that it could go on and off just like the way it appeared on the screen. Then it could go in a reverse manner to close. Okay, so it's now exporting, and you can see after exporting, I'll show you how can you remove, but it depends on the editing software you use for your own interest. So here we have the MP4 file. Now, for example, if I take it to the Premiere Pro, just will create a basic project just for understanding. Here, let me import from the downloads, and here we have imported it successfully. Okay, now let's pick something. Let's drag it to the timeline. So you can see it is entirely visible with green background. All right, so I'll trim it off, and here it seems fine. Now let's go with its background that we want to put, and let's take a wallpaper from here, or anything video you would like. Dragging it, dropping it. Now you can see there is no visibility, so we need to create an ultra key effect to remove the green from the background of the lower third. Let's pick, drag and drop. It will enable the option. Take the dropper and just click over green. Now you can see it is completely smoothly visible with the background, and it is kind of layered over with the background. Right? Now you can scale, adjust the position, upside down, left and right, and however you like with the clip, you can just adjust it and make it work. So that's how you can make unlimited kind of lower thirds with Canva if you don't have high-end softwares, and this will help you a lot to create your own templates and let you explore so many things with the designs. So that's how you can create. Let me know what do you think about this video, and if you need any more help, you can ask me down in the comment section below. So yeah, as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.